Hi, hello, and welcome back to Madhushri channel. So this is me, Madhushri, and you're seeing this video as for the first time. Means I am Madhushri, and I'll take cooking videos, testing out 5 minutes crafts, mind relaxation, meditation videos, coding projects from Vita Junior, science experiments from chemistry, so etc. 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 And do you want to make any new lemons? You can also say me. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so let's move to the video. Okay, so today's project name is Newtons Cradle, and today's class name and class number is class number is um, class 27, and the class name is constant body. So this is gonna be little amusing. So let's see. Watch the video fully. Okay. So okay. So I'm gonna click on this open link. Then okay. So it will open like this. And one more thing I have to say to you. Do you know about Github? You don't know means in the description I will give a link for you to learn about Github video. Okay, how to add files, how to sign in, how to download the uh, projects, everything. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you Newton's Cradle. It's gonna be very amazing. Do you wanna see the output? Then we have to download, right? So then only we have to download. I'll show you how to download it. So click on code, then click on download zip. Okay, you have to click on this. Then WinRAR, this is called WinRAR. It will make, so like this only the image will come. Okay, so like this only it will be coming. You have to click on extract to only. Then in which files you want to put, you can also put. So I'll put and I'll show you. So I'm putting in the Vita Junior project. So I'm clicking on OK. So I'll just leave it as yes itself for everything. Okay. So it already gone and save. I'm closing. And do you want to see output, right? As I already said you how to show. How to open the output. So for that we need a main thing called web server 200. Okay, in that only you can also make. So for that you have to open a new tab like this, and what you have to type, web server 200. Okay, see, I just type like this. So for me I already opened, so for me it will be coming here. You have to click this one. When I'm clicking on this, for you this Chrome Web Store page it will be opening, and I already finished it, so for me it will be coming like this. And you have to install this one, and you can also pin in the taskbar. I already pinned in the taskbar. And do you want to know about this web server for Chrome is here. You can read this all things. Okay, you can also understand for this, and even though they even given us a video, you can also watch that video. Okay, so I'll open and I'll show you. Okay, so I already opened. So now click on the choose folder to choose the folder. Okay, now I'm clicking on Vita Junior projects to get me right. So for that, there is the class 27th project master. Click on that, then select project folder. Then it is opening. There will be giving a link like this. There is given a link like this, right? So you have to click on that. Suppose it's not working for you, miss, just copy like this, and you can also paste that one. So now for my output is like this. Now I'm gonna click on right one. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, space button. Okay, not right key, space button. Okay, I'm gonna press 1 2 3 4. See, so like this only we are also gonna make. So let's make come. So now we finished it from the web browser, web server. Now we have to open the Visual Studio Code to code from that. Okay, so I'm opening the Visual Studio Code. Before opening, I want to say to you one thing. Do you know about Visual Studio Code? If you don't know, everything I gave in the description itself. Okay, you can watch from that video. Okay, and everything you can also learn from that. So now I already open the gap. Okay, so it's loading it. So and this is gonna it's gonna be little tough, but don't worry, I'm there for you to teach very easy method. Okay, so it has been opened. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the sketch.js. So do you know about this all everything I have been teaching everything in first video, like in the first video means Visual Studio Code. Video how to install that one I have been given for you guys, so that link will be in the description. You can also click that video link and you can also watch that. How, what is meaning of this, why we are creating like this, what is meaning of roof, why they writing roof is goes to new roof, like that all I'll be saying. Okay, so roof is goes to new roof means we're just creating a classes for that, so we're just calling it, right? We have to call, so like this. Then it is like Bob object one new Bob, like this it's there, right? In this class we have been given, see, there are 5 Bobs. Bobs means is orange color, sorry, pink color. These Bobs are in pink color, right? So for that we have gave just as a in pink color. Okay, so don't okay, so I just go to the sketch.js. So in this still now you understand. And these all are nothing but rope 1, rope 2, rope 3, rope sorry, rope 3, rope 4, rope 5. What is this? All are means this is constraining the body. Constraining like in the class name itself we can also see that constraint bodies. So that is meaning of constraint bodies means one will be attaching here and one will be attaching here. See, now I'm pressing on space button. See, it just went up in the heavy flow. Okay, don't worry about this. See, so it is attaching both, right? See, wherever the rope is going. See, the rope is attaching with the roof and the bob. So this is called the constant body. So we're gonna see about this one only. Okay. Okay, so I just wrote like this. See, look at this carefully. Bob object 1 dot body, roof dot body. See, rope I have created, right? So rope should connect with the bob and even though roof also. So that only I have gave here. Then minus 100 and 0. What is, you'll ask, what is that minus 100 and 0? Huh? What you'll ask, what you'll ask like that. Okay, so that is nothing but the width and height. What is that? Width and height. And this one is the right rope bob object 1 dot body, then roof dot body. You'll ask, why should we add that one? What is it? Like what should we do from that? How to do? What is meaning of that? You'll ask several questions for that. I'll just say in easy method in one line that like object bob object 1 dot body roof dot body. Actually, in this place it should be like coming as x y width x y and width height. Right, width height has been given as minus 100 and 0. Here x and y should become right. But in this place, why it is coming like that? Why? Because it should connect on the bob object from the body, then roof from the body. So the rope is being connected from the roof and from the bob. So that's what I'm saying. And the width and height positions are like this. Okay. Next, for 4 things also I just did like this only. So we have been came to the function draw. So it is very main thing and very easy thing. So we are gonna finish with very simple thing. Okay, so roof dot display. The roof class should be display, right? So for that also we are just writing here. Then everything like this all should be displayed, right? So for this also we are just writing here. Okay, then function key pressed. So if key code is equals to 32 matter dot body apply force bob object 1 dot body bob object dot 1 dot body dot position. You'll ask, why should we use like this all? I'll just say you in just one line itself. So key code I just gave it as 32. Key code is equals to 32 means that is the space button. That is the space button. Okay, so I think this is the space button. Actually, this is the space button only. So key code is equals to 32. So that is when you go space button. We will always write like key press is equals to space or right left up down, like that. We'll only write up arrow, right arrow, left arrow, like that only we'll write, but not like this. In this key code is equals to 32. When I'm clicking on the space button, see, it's moving. So for that only, then matter.body dot apply force. That matter.body is applying the force for the bob object 1 dot body object dot object 1 dot body dot position. What it is saying? Bob object is right. So I'll just say it as bob 1. Bob 1 is adding body, then bob 1 dot position, body dot position. So for that, what they have been given is x is to minus 730 and y is to 0. Now I'm pressing 7, space button means it is going like this, minus 730 to 0. Right, see. It is moving from here to here, means so for that only we just gave it as like this. Okay, minus 730. Okay, so next we'll move to the which bob. We'll just move to the first one itself. I'll just save this one minute. Okay, so class bob constructor as x and y have given. Everything I have been explained. So see in the description link itself. Okay, so variable options is equals to everything I have been said to you people. So this dot body means we are just calling that circles. So these circles are called the circle. Okay, ellipse, radius. Okay, so then push and pop. There, see, this is the main thing to listen this one. So what means when they are clicking on the space button, it is pushing and popping, right? It is pushing. See carefully, pushing and popping, pushing and popping. So that's what we are just writing here. Okay, so this is main thing. Then you have to display this, right, bob. So for that it is displaying. Then ellipse mode is in radius. Ellipse mode is in the radius. Okay, then fill. We just gave it as like this pink color. For pink color we have to write like this. But even it's your wish, you can also directly write as pink color. But I just wrote as a number like RGB. Okay, so ellipse mode, in the ellipse, this dot body dot position dot x, this dot body dot position dot y, then 25. This all I said it in the previous videos of I think so. So this that's it. So bob is that's it. So we'll move to the roof class. Okay, so in this also everything is easy. Just see what I just wrote. Okay, I created a class as a roof. I just say a story, okay, for you. So I just created a class as a roof, then constructor as x, y, width, height. Then for that we have to write this dot body. Actually constructor is the main thing. If you didn't write that, fully will be spoiling. Okay, so this dot body is equals to body dot rectangle. So the roof should be in rectangle, right? So for that we are using rectangle. And see here also we are just using rectangle. In the circle space, that means bob's place, we just wrote as ellipse because it should be round, right? So for that, then this dot width is equals to width. Then height, width, height. Then word should add the this dot body. Then it should display, right? Then it should push and it should be popped, right? And rect mode is in the center, and the full color I just gave it as RGB color as 128. Okay, then this dot body, that is same thing only. Okay, so that's what this dot width and this dot height means. This will take that position itself, which means I think this still this only the Canva output is there. So for that only it will be coming correctly. Okay, so next we'll move to the row class. Row class and is the main thing, perfect and main thing. So what? Because class is row. Then constructor body 1, body 2, offset x, offset y. So you can also give a different name for this. I just give it offset x and y. So this dot offset x and offset x. See, at that time we just wrote as width and height, but here I just wrote as offset x and y. Okay. Then for options, no need to write full of options. I just gave it as OP itself. So that will be a little easy, right? Then body and body is B is the main thing. Body A is body 1, body B is body 2. Okay, body A means it should connect with the roof, and body B means it should connect with the bob. So that is what only. Okay, then point B is to x dot this dot offset x, and uh, y is to this dot offset y. See, and x1 is also to this dot offset x, and y is to this dot offset y. So till point B you have been understood, I think so. Then this dot rope, we are just adding a rope. Okay, so next one, display, we are just displaying. Then variable point 1 this dot rope dot body A dot position, point 1 point 2. That's what, guys. Body A, body B, it should be having a point, right? So for that, here 1 point and here 1 point. So that's what I'm also saying. Okay, so next one, world dot add. Okay, so now we have been finished at till this. Now stroke weight, I just gave it as 2. That color can be like that also, like so. For that, I just gave it as like that. Then variable anchor 1 x is equals to point 1 dot x. I just gave the names like this. Okay, don't worry like this. You can also give any name. Okay, so I just gave like this. And variable anchor 1 dot variable anchor 1 x is equals to point 1 dot x means it's having the point 1 is this one, right? So it should move in the x and y position. When this is point B, right, it should also move in x and y position. So for that only we are just writing like this. You can also see properly. Okay, so plus variable anchor 2xy, then point 2 dot x and y plus this dot offset x and this dot offset y. Okay, then last, it's just adding it. Okay, don't worry. And line, that's the main thing. Line is the main thing which is creating the rope. Okay, so we are just writing as anchor 1 x, anchor 1 y, and anchor 2 x and y. Okay, so that's it. We just gave as a variable names only. In this, nothing we did do. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. And do you want to get next video's notification, means click that bell icon to get the next video's notification, and like and share and subscribe more for getting more videos. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much, and please support me for putting more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. And if you have any doubts, means sure comment me, surely I'll reply you. Okay, so thank you. And one more thing, the main thing, do you want to take a free trial class in the Vita Junior? Then click the below link in the description. There is a in the description there is a Vita Junior link. In the last, you can see, you come to the last, there will be a Vita Junior trial class link I only gave for you. This is the best course. Okay, you can also learn from this. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.